Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and this guide assumes you already signed into your account. Make sure you're logged in or some steps may not work as expected. So, having problems with the Amazon app? Maybe it's stuck on the loading screen, not letting you place an order, or images and reviews aren't showing properly. Here's what you can do to fix it. First of all, you need to restart the application. Just like this. And if it didn't help you, the second one, you can do the check your permissions. Let's go to the settings, apps, and permissions. Here you go. Allow all the time, allow always, just like this. And when you came back on the app and it didn't help you, the third option is the reinstall the app. So let's go to the Play Market. Amazon, uninstall, and install it again. Okay, you reinstalled the app, logged in, and even if it didn't help you, you might go to the down detector and check if the Amazon servers are down or not. So let's go to Google. Down detector. And search for Amazon. Okay, so as you can see, the minimalistic drop downs they don't accuse such a big problem. So if it's not the problem of the servers, you might go to check your internet, and if it's good, just try to restart your phone, and I hope it will help you. This was Hard Reset. Thank you so much, and see ya in the next video.